Good morning, friends. I am Professor Shivayogi Patil, working as Assistant Professor in Tondadar Engineering College, Gadag. Today, I am coming before you with this small video to introduce you to my newly launched venture called Dream Career Academy. Today, I have started a training academy called as Dream Career Academy. It was my long time dream to start a training academy to train the students in various aspects of life so that they will be successful in their life, they will get jobs easily and all those things. So therefore I am starting Dream Career Academy, and under this academy I am planning to launch many trainings. Lot of trainings I am planning to launch, and as an inaugural offer, as a launching offer, today I am launching a training called as Train the Trainer. Train the Trainer. Triple T, T, train the trainer. Train the trainer means I am going to train my students into trainers so that they become trainers to train the students of schools, students of colleges and corporates into success. So, soft skill training and corporate trainings are involved in it, in this Train the Trainer certification. So, this Train the Trainer certification will be given by NIET. I have taken the franchisee of NIET, one of the premium training organizations based in New Delhi, which is government recognized, government approved and ISO certified organization based in Delhi. And as a franchisee, here I am going to train you according to their curriculum. So, you will get certification after the completion of the training. You will get certification from the NIET. So basically it is a 15 days training, 15 days online training, daily 1 to 1.5 hour every day, and on Saturday and Sunday there will be extra sessions as per the requirement. Since it is my first batch, I don't know how much time it will take to cover all the aspects I need to cover. Therefore, right now I have planned it for 15 days, daily 1 to 1.5 hour every day. But it may further increase also. The number of days may be increase also. Now, let me explain what this Train the Trainer training will cover. So, it will start with trainer's mindset. A trainer should have a particular mindset to succeed. So, the trainer mindset we are going to discuss here. Core values of a trainer. What should be the values of a trainer so that he can become successful? Personality development, one of the most important topic in Train the Trainer certification. Personality development. How you can develop your own personality to become an adorable person, as well as how you can train your students, your candidates into a personality where they will easily get into corporate job. So that personality development I am going to cover here. Public speaking skills. As you all know, public speaking is one of the important skills. Today, every celebrity, every politician, every film star need to be very good at public speaking. Then only he will become a celebrity. So therefore, public speaking skills we are discussing here, and there will be a practical training also. Then there is another important module called Campus to Corporate. So Campus to Corporate, Road to Success, I call it as like that. So Campus to Corporate means, so when you are in a campus interview, how to clear different hurdles in a campus interview. Or sometimes you may go to a corporate for an interview, there will be 4 to 5 hurdles. For example, there may be a written examination, technical aptitude test, then there will be general aptitude test, there will be group discussion, there will be HR interview, there will be interview with the owner of the organization, owner of the corporate. So you have to clear 4 to 5 hurdles. So how to clear those 4 to 5 hurdles confidently? So all those things will be covered in Campus to Corporate, which is very useful for the students. Then team building skills. This is related to corporate training. So if you are going for corporate training, training the corporate people, then you can teach them team building skills. Then peak performance training, it is also regarding the corporate training. So these both related to corporate training. Then after this, I will train you how to become a successful entrepreneur. What are the hurdles that you have to face to be a successful entrepreneur, and how to clear those hurdles. So that is also because to become a successful entrepreneur, entrepreneurship is very, very important in nowadays because of the rising unemployment, and after this COVID-19 threat also there will be lot of unemployment. The jobs will be very difficult to get. So make your mindset to be an entrepreneur. So I am going to train you how to be a successful entrepreneur, and lastly how to brand yourself as a trainer. So as a trainer you need to brand yourself so that the people will come to you for training. So that aspect, that is it involves how to market your training. So that also I am going to train you, that also I am going to discuss here. And most important thing is I am going to train this using the NLP tools and techniques. NLP means, you might have heard, neuro-linguistic programming. It is one of the powerful psychological tool, so which is even accepted by doctors and the scientists as most powerful tool to bring life changes, so behavioral changes, pattern changes, and all those things it can bring. So using those NLP tools and techniques, I am going to train you into this all these topics. So it is a very, very powerful program, and I will assure you that I will train you to be a very successful trainer. And lastly, and most important thing is, I am going to give you a ready to start toolkit, which will contain hundreds of PPTs, PDFs, recorded videos, etc., so that you can start your training career from the next day only. Once you get the certification, from the next day only you can start your training career. So that much of powerful ready to start training toolkit I am going to give you. And this is not I am also going to support you for 1 year. So I am going to guide you for your successful career. So you may ask me, what are my credentials? What are my credentials to train you in this train the trainer aspect? Because I am a civil engineer, I am a professor in civil engineering, I am very well versed in civil engineering subject. But as far as these things, what are my credentials? My dear friends, I am going to tell you now. I have undergone a 6 days intensive training in Bangalore with Indian Leadership Academy. It is all about leadership skills, corporate training skills. So the program name was Train the Trainer itself. So I have undergone training in corporate training skills and the leadership training skills, campus to corporate training skills. So that is the one of the major certification I have got, and I have got 3 certifications in NLP. One is as NLP practitioner, and then NLP coach, and NLP what you call it as diploma in NLP. So it takes 6 days of intensive training, every day 7 hours a day, 6 days of intensive training in Pune, then 6 months of internship. So that I have undergone under them. So I have undergone training in NLP with one of the leading NLP trainer in India, Mr. Vikram Dhar. So Mr. Vikram Dhar of NLP Academy Bangalore, he conducted training in Pune, and I have undergone that training also. And recently, to upgrade myself, again I underwent training of Train the Trainer with NIET. Now I am associated with NIET after that training. So I have undergone that training also. So I am now ready to train you, and within a month you will be ready to train other people, other students, other candidates. So together we can form a community, we will form a trainers community, and we can help each other. And another thing is, I am going to support you even after the training, in the sense that I need some trainers, co-trainers along with me. So if you perform well in my training, then you may get associated with me on profit sharing basis, as well as is there any requirement, trainers requirement, I will give you your reference to get job there. And the last and least, price of this training. So price of this training, my dear friends, I have kept very less, because if you go for an offline training anywhere in Bangalore and Pune, they will not charge less than 20,000, 25,000, 30,000, depending upon the kind of certificate you get, the kind of ambience in which you are going to train. But here, since I am training from my home, from my office, through online, so I have kept the fees very less. And especially in this lockdown period, due to the corona pandemic, considering the financial crisis, financial troubles all are facing, I have kept it very minimum, which is only rupees 3,500 for 15 days training with certification, with ready to use toolkit. My dear friends, at this price, nobody will offer you the kind of training what I am going to give you. So 3,500 rupees for 15 days online training. And for early bird registrars, so who will register before July 1st, I am going to offer another 500 rupees of discount. So my intention is not just to make money, my intention is to train my students, my candidates into self-reliant, confident trainers, as well as good citizens to the society. So my dear friends, this training will probably start from July 6th. I am planning to start it from July 6th. So please hurry, register, because there will be only 10 candidates in a batch, because I wanted to give personal attention. I wanted to attend every candidate individually and groom them into a perfect trainer. Therefore, I am taking only 10 candidates. So therefore, students, my dear friends, hurry and register this program. My WhatsApp number is 94803 70941, and that is my mobile number also. I repeat it again, 94803 70941, and you please message me to my WhatsApp number. I will send the required details and brochures and pricing things and other things, or you can call me also. So with this, I am concluding my video. Thanks for listening to me. Thank you very much.